I hope you enjoy this FCU video. Today we're going to be doing the nth term, and we're going to be learning how to predict the next term in a sequence. In this sequence, it goes up by 4 each time. So we write 4n each time. In this sequence, the nth term is 4n, as the term and the sequence match perfectly, as 1 times 4 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8. So here's our answer, 4n. In this sequence it goes up by 3 each time, so we need to write 3n at the bottom. Then we times the term by 3, and 1 times 3 is 3, and then we do 5 minus 3, which is 2. So the nth term is 3n plus 2. And this should work for all of the terms. How did you feel about this video? Bye! See you soon!